Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this rug right here. This is absolutely beautiful and it's going to look so good in my room. This is actually a washable rug, which I have 4 kids and 2 dogs that are inside the house, plus my husband. So I definitely need something that's washable. But let's go ahead and get right in this. I'm going to show you the texture and everything of this rug. So that's how it comes packaged. Now the lines and everything from when you first open it will come out once it's sitting on the floor for a little bit. But let me go ahead and stand up and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So as you can see, this is what she looks like. She's long and very pretty. So I love the coloring on this. Like in my room, I have a lot of like orange and dark green. And this is actually going to go really well with that. So the backing to this is like kind of like a non-slip. Like it almost like has a rubbery feel, like they spray some type of rubber on it or something. That's what it feels like. I have some other non-slip rugs. It feels exactly the same way that are washable. But this is machine washable. And because it is a darker pattern, it's not going to get dirty as if I had something that was lighter. But yes, look at the colors on that. Now the top, which I'll insert some pictures right now of what the fabric looks like in really good lighting. So yeah, so that's what it looks like. This is what it looks like just like on camera. It's kind of hard to see details on camera, but it is beautiful. This is a really pretty rug and I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like in my room. So that is what it looks like in my room. I love the way it looks. It matches my room so well. I have like all the dark greens and everything with the orange and I just love the way that looks. And it's also going to help to prevent from getting dirt inside your bed. If you have wood floors, I know that you know what I mean. So you can either keep it like that. Okay, so right here I have it running at the foot of my bed. And you can see, like if you were to get 3 of these and put them on each side of your bed, that is beautiful. You can see it looks so good together. And just look at the quality of this. Do you see all like the textures and everything? It's so nice. And I cannot believe the price on it. Like it is so cheap and affordable and washable. Like to me, they're all wins. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.